The Singer Start sewing machine has 6 total stitches built into this one knob. That simplifies knowing how long your stitch needs to be or how wide it needs to be. It's all integrated in this one place. So for straight stitch, if you want a shorter stitch length, you'll turn it to the shorter stitch length picture. For most of the sewing, you'll want the medium stitch length, but if your fabric is a little bit longer, do choose the longer stitches. Let's talk zigzag. You have also 3 different zigzags. Stitch them out so you can actually see the difference here. All you have to do is pick one, sew it, pick the second, and then the third. Now I do like to make sure my needle is out of the fabric before I turn this dial. But as you work your way all the way around each of the stitches, this is a multiple point zigzag. You can use that for mending or even sewing on elastic. It would have that nice stretch and give. The next stitch is considered a blind hem stitch. We'll do a video on that so you know how to fold your fabric and actually use that stitch. We have a decorative stitch, a cute little scallop, which is great if you put some variegated thread or metallic thread. Now if you use metallic thread, just need to buy a metallic needle. Now these last 3 areas are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are the steps regarding using and making a buttonhole. So step 1, it sews away from us. Step 2, the tack at the top. Step 3, it sews back down towards us on the other side of the buttonhole, and then back to 4 is the tack at the bottom. So you can create that little rectangular shape when you go to stitch. Turn your hand wheel, bring your take-up lever to the highest position before you pull it out. Use a thread cutter on the side of the machine, and you can see all the stitches that this machine does. And all you need to do is turn it to the right stitch. So I'm going back to the middle size of the stitch, straight stitch, and I'll be all ready to sew my next seam.